report the respiratory rate showing on mechanical ventilator 60, but the set vent rate is 30.
Yes.
By giving this 30, the machine is showing 60.
Yes.
And we check the manual respiration of the baby, that's showing 30. That is the same given by the ventilator. What is the reason behind the increased respiratory rate that's showing on ventilator?
Yes. Actually, it's reporting to us. The machine is giving to the baby is 30 breath or cycle per minute, and what he get here is 60 or above 60, sometimes 67 or 80. So what are going to do? First of all, you have to assess your patient clinically, biochemically, and radiologically. You have to assess to know why this patient tachypnic, why here is reported as to you the baby is tachypnic. So we assess the baby clinically. My manual respiratory rate same 30, same what the machine is giving is 30, and the baby actually by manual calculation of the respiratory rate same 30. But here actually in the machine is getting 60, so it's double the rate what you give. So what is the reason behind it? And even the biochemical within normal and radiological, we check the X-ray within normal. So what is the reason behind this double the rate? Even in the machine is given 30 and manually we assess the baby clinically, the rate is 30. So this double the rate, it's due to two reasons. The main reason, the first reason actually, it's due to the triggering or the sensitivity. The sensitivity you put it, it's high. The sensitivity it's high, or there is water in the circuit. So what is the solution of this problem? You have to go for ventilatory setting, then go for additional setting, and go for trigger. Check the triggering. The triggering how much is 0.3. So the sensitivity is higher. The sensitivity is very higher. The triggering is less, but the sensitivity high sensitivity. So I have to increase the triggering. I will increase the triggering 0 to 1. I will make it to 1. So this is one of the solution to increase the trigger, to increase and decrease the sensitivity, or just increase this is the flow trigger. I increase the flow trigger, so I reduce the sensitivity, because the sensitivity opposite to the triggering. So the trigger, the flow triggering, I increase it, so I decrease the sensitivity of the machine to the baby. The second solution, I have to go for the circuits, and also I remove the water. There is too much water here. If you see too much water, I have to remove this water because it will trigger the breathing for the baby. So if you will see here any discrepancy between the machine or the rate the machine is giving and the patient what is getting, you have to assess the baby clinically first, in biochemical and radiological. The second, if you what is the cause of this discrepancy between the machine what you give and you get it the baby, is due to reason the triggering and the water in the circuit. You have to go for ventilatory setting, then you go for additional setting, and go for the triggering. Open the triggering here, it will give you the flow trigger. This is the flow trigger. It will be the best trigger. It will be the flow trigger for the babies, because it's so rapid and effective. It's okay. After that, you could check. After the triggering, you have to check what? You have to check the water in the circuit. Then after 30 minutes or 5 minutes of 1 hour, you have to check the rate. It will be corrected immediately. At the end, I would like to pray for my colleague going for Saudi board report, and I would like to thank our staff to deliver this educational activity. Thank you.